Yo, what's up? Okay, guys, so I hope you can actually hear me now. So I had to redo the stream. So let's jump back into this. So I'll explain what I was doing. Actually, because you couldn't hear. So thanks Unreal Devs for that notifying me of that. But this is a redo of the stream. But what I want to do is I want to go to here, and then I want to quickly grab the new link. Hopefully it's yeah. Interesting. Okay. I bet you it's got this schedule situation. It's live right now. I'm assuming because it should be. Everyone, join me live. It's probably good that I can redo it because my mouse started. I mean my keyboard just wasn't working. So there we are. We're back. Okay, so maybe I can go back to here and there we go. We've got the live going now. Okay, we're back, guys. But anyway, so apparently, what I did is these were on mute. Okay. But everything's looking good now. Okay, we're back. So let me jump back to the explanation. So I sort of cleaned up everything from the last stream. So now we've got, all functions. We've got this in its own function now. So now I just specify the attachment. If it's the same attachment, in their attachment list. I toggle or detoggle depending on if it's enabled or not. Obviously, and we do a little equiparoonie here, which is pretty stupid, but we need to do it. And that's that. And let me go back to here. So, and then we got obviously when you click these buttons, it sort of equips and de-equips. So what I'll do is I'll jump in game and show you how it looks now. So there's this. So I can equip that actually. Let me equip that and then equip this. And there's one thing I've got to do that I forgot really to do. You see how I picked up the pistol and it didn't have the sniper on it, but then it did when I equipped it. I've got to make it so that the pickup's got the sniper on it, but that should be easy. Alright, so this has actually got the laser and what's he on it. So this is how it looks now. So obviously when I click on here, it will sort of just show the guns that you've got equipped that are obviously can be have attachments. So we can switch between like that, and then obviously that de-equips it. But we can detach the silencer. There's another bug too. See how I have to see how detaching the silencer. That's not in my code. I think that's within the equipping and de-equipping logic. So I've got to work that out. So that's not what we're going to be working on today, but we're going to be working on the 3D model. So where was I? That's right. This is the pickup logic, but I want to collapse this into a function. Before I do that, let me everything's going good here. Let me quickly just open this up on my phone. It'll only take a second so I can see the chat. Uh, go to there. I think I'm gonna have to go like this. Yep. Um, 1 second, guys. There we go. I've got it. Shout out to the free viewers. But there we go. Young Jojo, Unreal Devs. How you doing, mate? You thought we're good now? Good. That's good. Thank you. Dalton says hi. How you doing, mate? Welcome to the stream. Saint Zero, couple emojis. Welcome to the stream as well. For the gun model in the widget, are you going to use a scene capture? It is a scene capture. Let me just quickly show you that. It's literally in the world. It's like this thing here. It's pretty much, it's just a 3D model, which is a 2D capture component on, why can't I? Okay. It's just a weapon, and this just changes based on, I'm doing it manually. I'm actually doing it manually. I have to like literally put the sniper on, work out where the position is. This is just the quickest way I'm doing it because I can't sort of work out how it's done in the other thing. So, all right, so we're here. I want to collapse this into a function and build this into the functionality for which I just need to duplicate this 4 times or something. So collapse a function. Why can't I collapse it to a function? Why don't I just make the function? Okay, what's it going to be called? It's going to be set weapon meshes. I go like this. Okay. Now, that's where I had this data, I think. UI, it's just an enum, yeah. Attachable weapons. It doesn't need to be a variable. Make it an inputs. Weapon to display. Attach. Young Jojo says, you can just spawn it in the world when you press the button and destroy it when the, yeah, that's an idea actually. But for now, it's a test world. I'll just drag it straight into the test world. I might even not even be using that because it will sort of get weird trying to spawn a 3D model for every single player. So this may change in the future. This just looks good now. So what do we got? Attachable weapons. Okay, so now we can switch on this. Or you can just switch the static mesh when you click the button. That's sort of the idea. What I'm doing now is I'm just making it so the construction script just does it all automatically, and all I got to do is change this, or no, this variable here. Oh, but interesting. Wait, where am I doing this? Yeah, I'm doing this here, so this can be. I can work out which. Interesting. I should actually put this that variable into there. I mean, I can. Yeah, that just makes it easier for me. Then I can just go like this. Oh, I've got to do it in here. So what's it called? Attachable type? What would I call it? Attachable type. Oh, uh, maybe if I set it to the correct thing. Attachable. Alright, so now I've got that information there. Okay, burst rifle, rifle, melee, none, none, pistol, revolver, shotgun, sniper, SMG. Okay, close all this. Interesting. Okay. Break. Wait, why isn't it showing up? Oh, that's it. Oh, I think I know why. What? Does it have to be in there? Okay, general settings, attachments. Interesting. Okay. Am I not seeing this thing or something? Oh, it's the structure. I just confused myself there. Okay. So now I can get rid of this nonsense. So attachment structure. Wait, okay. What am I trying to do here? Oh, I'm just trying to determine what type of thing it is. I'm doing it in here. Why not just copy? I guess that's just going to do it actually. Let's see what happens when I do this. Okay, I don't think I'm doing any of that. That's right. These must have something. Yep. Get rid of that. Maybe we should center everything. Alright, now we're just doing that. Okay. Yeah, I don't know why this just look. This just won't work. See? But I've got like I've added like a pickup mesh. So, and that's what I've got to look into actually quickly. Now I've got I had an asset cleaner and I removed a lot of assets and I didn't know it removed all these extra meshes like for the weapons, like this. I've got laser attachments plus, so now I can actually spawn the right attachment on the weapons. Maybe I can, I mean, what are the different variations? Like maybe I can just, uh, no, that's actually not gonna work. Oh wait, there's the laser. There's no, yeah, I'm probably not, yeah, probably not. I'm gonna have to like work out how to construct it again, a different way for them. Anyway, alright, so what am I doing? I'm doing, so if it's enabled, whatever it is, enable it. But how do I determine what type of thing it is? That's where I can get it. I'll have to put it in there. Man. Uh, attachment. Attachable type. Attach. Okay. Oh, no way. I'm going to have to do it all. There's no way I'm doing that. This is going into general. Where is it? There. So instead of having to do it like, 10, like 7 times for the rifles, because they've got 7 attachments, or at least 5 attachments or something. So now I'll do it once up here. Or will I? Just got to replace it. Alright. I should be able to do this a quick way. Pistol there. Everything else is none. This will be submachine gun. This will be sniper. None, none. Pistol. And rifle. What am I trying to do? Spawn attachments. I'm trying to work out which type of attachment it needs to do, and I can just store the data in the data asset, or store that information in the data asset. So this should be none. Yeah. Okay. Yep. So now I can just I know which one to do, because I need that information for this function, so I can go like this. Uh, Wait, set weapon meshes. This will be actually set pistol meshes. And then maybe I can go which mesh type. What? Yeah, weapons display. And then we can go attachment type. Get out of that. Okay. Pistol meshes. So say we want a silencer. Silencer for a whatever this is. Yeah, attachable type. Because all I'm changing is this. That's all I'm doing is updating that. Everything is all just automatically done for the construction script. Wait, what? Oh, I know what I've got to do. Alright, so now I can switch. Oh, that's going to be nonsense to work around. Okay. So now I just got to do 4 of those. And do that 1, 2, 3 times. So 4 of these and then do that whole thing 3 times. How can I do this cleaner? Is this a multiplayer game or single player? Strictly multiplayer. I'm thinking about potentially making like a solo mode where you can play solo. You just won't. There'll be restrictions, obviously, the same restrictions that will be when there's no players on a server or no police officers. There'll be there'll be timers for robberies, so you'll only be able to do robberies so many times, but you'll still be able to play by yourself, sort of thing, and upgrade your player, sort of thing. But it's going to be mainly multiplayer, focused around multiplayer mechanics. You know, the whole game is driven by the players, pretty much. There will be NPCs, but nothing like nothing like GTA where they're driving around and walking around. There will be no pedestrians like that or driving around like that. The NPCs that will exist will be clerk NPCs, other type of NPCs, very limited in what they do. Just so there's NPCs like clerks and maybe bank tellers and all that sort of stuff. Doing this in the construction strip is going to be hard for you to later when it comes to update the widgets and stuff. This is just what I'm doing now to build it. I could redo this whole thing later on. I don't like the idea of this having to be in the world. So and then like 100 of these having to be in the world for 100 different players. I don't like that. It just looks cool right now. So that's what we're doing here. But oh man, oh I know what to do. I'll do that logic in here so I can just go like that, bang. Do that 3 times. So now we want to do a silencer obviously here. Alright, and then we'll do this in another function. Uh, you're kidding me. I don't know why it's not letting me collapse the functions. Okay. So these are the pistol meshes. Wait, what's this again? Okay. Alright, so now we've got that. Alright. Pistol, so now we can switch on this. I mean, if you're watching, you know a better way I can do this. Let me know. I'm just sort of just going off the top of my head. So, all right. So there, if it needs to be a laser, we'll go like that. Flashlights. This is the pistols. So that can go. Only a laser and a silencer. So then we can go like that. Now I just basically duplicate these and then do the right settings. Because the mesh just sits the main weapon mesh just sits at 000, and then you just gotta adjust so the stuff the attachments are in place, sort of thing. I don't know why I made it that long, but anyway, okay. So there's that. So there's pistol weapon mesh. Okay. So now that's how we can do it. So now what I can do is go ZMG meshes. Go like this. Alright. So now the way I work this out is I go to there, I break this, then I go to the viewport, and I can set this to whatever. Alright, so sub, I usually get an idea where it's going to be by going like this. I mean, each player going to have their own instance of it. But wouldn't you need 100 instances? And believe me, it's yeah, everything is pretty much getting replicated now. I haven't really well, this really isn't needed to be replicated only other than the weapon, obviously. Um, but I'm just trying to get like this is version 1.1. You know what I mean? I just want an ability to attach weapons. That's all I want right now. Shout out to the 5 viewers. Uh, so now I'm looking for the mesh. It's not in there. It's in here. No. What? It's a handgun silencer 1, which is not. It's the silencer 2. Handgun silencer 2. Then go. Alright. Let's do some OCD stuff here with a 44.9. Let's go with a 0 on that. And 8.52. So now all I've got to do is go into here. Silencers down the bottom. Handgun. Silencer 2. 8.52. I know this is dodgy, but this is just doing it manually. But there we go. There's the silencer. So now the silencer is going to be in the right position. So now we've got to work on the laser, which we can grab from here. Laser 2. It's a 90 on that. Laser 2, yep. Wait. Oh, that's right. It's not in the right position. I've got to put a 90 on that, I think. Then it's in the right position, I think. And it's on the other side of where you can see. There's not much I can do about that. I just want to be able to attach and detach. That's it. Let's go with the 7.3 on that. 2.35. Minus 36.7. Alright, that's where we're at. With a laser 2. Uh, Update the static mesh to the weapon by default and just update the static mesh when the player equips it. Question, will the equipment have any effects on the weapon? For example, if you have a silencer equipped, the accuracy going increases, etc. I think I'm not sure if that type of accuracy is built in. But you know, I could eventually build that logic in. You know, even like you know, weapon condition. I can build weapon condition where I can sort of mess around with the type of accuracy and make it less accurate. I don't think that's built in, but yeah, we could definitely do that. Anything's possible with Unreal Engine. That's what I like about Unreal Engine. Literally anything is possible. I don't have any restrictions from a 20-year-old GTA game that's like on a specific platform with a specific language and a specific set of includes with limitations and stuff like that. So, like Unreal Engine is like you can create anything you want. It's beautiful. All right, so now we've done that. We've got the laser. Now we need to do a flashlight, which is on the right side, but in a really dodgy position. I don't know why. Let's just copy that. Let's go with it's a flashlight 1. Uh, it's a 90 there and another 90 in some direction. There, if I flip it, is it minus 90? What happened there? Wait. One of these. What? No. Okay. Okay. At least it's on the side you can see it. minus 36.5, 2.6, minus 2.6, with an 8.4 there. Okay. Minus 2.6, 8.4. All right. All right, so SMG's done. So let's just test those two. So I'm going to pass weapon data into here from, I think I'm already doing it actually. Well, it is showing there. Oh, that's right. I've got to change the distance of the camera. You say, how are you going to reference those attachments to update the weapon stats? Reference the attachments to update the weapon stats. See, the only type of weapon logic that I think is built in like that is like the silencer doesn't send off a noise event because it used to have AI. I took the AI out, but it had AI, and that's the only type of logic. And also um, it's single player, so I really don't think that type of logic is built in. You know, like like a laser sight giving you more accuracy, or like a collimator. I don't know what that is. I think it's some sort of sight attachment. Okay, so what am I doing? Okay. Oh, that's right. I've got to change the position of the camera. But how can I do that? I was doing it somewhere. Yeah, I can do it here. Set camera position. Uh, Attachable weapon. We'll just we'll just call it that. No. Set relative, I believe. Oh wait. Oh, there is a set relative location and rotation. Oh, what you need to use a transform to access that. But anyway, that's good. So the default is this. That's the pistol distance. And I think I just make it will double the Y for an SMG, I believe. And this was minus 40, because I've done this before. Did that even shift? Maybe if I go... I mean, let's see if it's even moving. Oh, because that's set as a pistol. Hilarious. So I'm not setting the data through. Okay. I mean, that'll do, actually. Yeah, there we go. Nice. I mean, the point of attachments is to have the weapons better, like the grip, the stack, etc. The stack optics, etc. People are going to be mad that they can buy some optics and it doesn't do anything. That's actually a very good point. But let's see. Well, I don't know. I'm assuming it might. Go and check out the project on like on the marketplace. Like see if that's in the description. Like I don't know what type of yeah, I really think the only logic that was really like I think it's more of a like an accessory thing like a but the only logic that I remember seeing myself is the pistol silencer doesn't do a noise event where the other other gun any gun without a suppressor does. But there we go. That's what we want for that. That's a good distance. Detach laser. Attach silencer. This isn't working. None of that's working. So I've got to pass something through here. Oh, what? You kidding me? Let's just get that. Oh, wait. Because none of this is plugged in. Okay, so actually, pistol, uh, submachine gun. Alright, I think that's working how we want it to work. So theoretically this should have silencer on. Let's see. Yep. Okay. Oh, because this is but doesn't construct get called multiple times? It's like a construction script, in it. Called after the underlying, There's no way, oh wait, so I can just, maybe make a function, update weapon data. Uh, so whenever they click on, I'm assuming this would work. I feel like this needs to be on this side. All right. Yeah, it should update for us. No, it's not. Okay. But construction, well, but construction scripts dropped a like as Cook. Thanks, mate. Welcome to the stream. Shout out to the 5 viewers. But construction scripts happens before the actor spawns. So you need a way to update the mesh as you go. Oh, that's a very good point, because it's literally calling it non-stop. That is actually a very good point. What I can do is, yeah, put all this into a function and just call that once on begin play, and then when it gets updated, I can just, go into this from there and then set that function. That's actually a good point. I can probably do that. I don't need that anymore. Let's just go like this and go get rid of the construction script and go, I don't know, what are we going to call it? I mean, So now the thing's not doing anything, or it tried to load something and it's not loading nothing. And now if we go like this, oh wait, I'm not even, oh wait. Wait, am I, oh, that's all right. Am I doing this right? Is this the right logic? Oh, man. Wait, did I get out of that? Oh, that's right. It's in my inventory. I'm like, how's it still in the inventory? Alright. Uh, wow. Oh, wait, I've got to do it on the end of that as well. Okay, laser's not showing. Okay, it's not updating. These I don't think are updating as well. It reckons I've got a silencer. Yeah, I've got one on. Is that the silencer? What? Oh yeah, it's silencer. It's without silencer. And it's got the flashlight attachment on it. It's not updating because the widget is not refreshing. That's right. You need a function to refresh the widget each time you change the weapon. That's essentially what I was just trying to do there, I think. Is the weapon for the scene capture spawn automatically, or did you just place it in the world? I just placed the whole actor in the world. Because the game mode doesn't have any idea you have the scene capture there. Therefore, it can't update it. What do you mean, though? Because the game mode doesn't have any idea. What's the game mode got to do with the actor? Like, I don't understand what you mean. It doesn't have to reference the, there's this big emoji in a way. I can't sort of read half these things. What's the problem? Shout out to the 4 viewers. How long have we been going for? 55 minutes. We're going for a pretty decent time. Well, this is when it's getting updated. Bang, bang. Every time a button's pressed, which means every time something changes, or every time they change their weapon, it gets updated, which is here. Display weapon. Is that going back to front? Oh, that's right. That's why it wasn't working for that, because I haven't built this. Unless I can go... Oh, wait. No. That's right, I haven't done this. That's why it wasn't working. So it's working now anyway, I think. I think anyway. Can you both go join a Discord call? Yeah, potentially. He's actually one of the co-developers of this project, so he's definitely got more experience than me. But this is all working anyway. I got it working anyway, so I like to just get things working, and then I'm able to see the process and then make it better. You know, optimize things, clean it up. So that's what we need. We need a we'll call these SMG meshes. SMG meshes. Oh wait, I do have an SMG meshes. So now SMG meshes should work. Attach laser, which you can't see. And this logic here. What? Oh, that's right. Uh, I don't know. Maybe if I. Oh, all right. Flashlight is not. Okay, it's half working. I just got to duplicate all this stuff and make sure it works for everything else. Shout out to the free viewers. Do a print string on. Oh, that's all messages, I think. But anyway, how long have we been going for? Uh, 1 hour exactly. So here we go, guys. I think I'm gonna leave this stream here. Now, I've sort of got it half working, so now I'm able to sort of think about it and think about how I can do this all a little bit better. But it's just all it's doing is it's constructing this manually. I mean, there's probably functionality within the core that I could use to construct the weapon, but I looked into it. It's way too complex, that system, to just find things very easily. But anyway, guys, I think I'm going to leave the stream there. If you're new to the stream and you're wondering what this game is, hit the project documentation link in the description, or go over to my playlist and check out the first devlog. The second devlog should be out in the next couple of weeks once I start working on the NPC robbery system and that for these guys, the gunpoint robbery system for these guys. I'm going to do a couple of other robbery-based systems that I'm not going to reveal to anyone until that actual devlog. So you're going to potentially see some really good robbing mechanics coming. Specifically, store robbery mechanics. There's going to be gunpoint robberies and also a different way to rob stores. But anyway, guys, that's where I'm going to leave it. You should try dry. What's dry? I thought my game was complicated to code. Then I see your project and I'm like so lost. This isn't really complex stuff what I'm doing here right now, but the ATPS, I mean not ATPS, TPSK, I've got to say, I've got to give props to the developer. It's very, very well put together. It's actually don't you should try don't repeat yourself. Well, I'm sorry, I actually have no control over that. I have a speech disfluency disorder where I will say words I will say the wrong word. I will stutter. I will be halfway through saying a word and I will stop saying that word and say something else. My mind runs a million miles an hour, and the only way I can explain it is that human speech is at least 3 times slower than my mind. My mind moves 3 times quicker than I can get it out, sort of thing. But anyway. But anyway, guys, that's where we're going to leave it, and we'll see you probably in the next stream, which I'm not sure when it will be, but I should be able to get this all done probably today, and we'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.